this trial balance, the losses in the ratio of 7:6, and profit and loss account and balance sheet as usually we have to make. Come to the adjustment, what we have the adjustment here. One is closing stock that we all know where to record. Then bill receivable include dishonor of bill. The bill receivable is dishonor. So the bill receivable, in front of bill receivable, will be marking number 2, and same time in front of debtors. Bill receivable is concerned to the debtors. In front of debtors, we will mark 2. Goods worth rupees 2,100 taken by Rane for his personal use was not entered in the books of accounts. What it means? Goods withdrawn for personal use, known as
Drawing.
drawings. We will see later drawings. And then goods of rupees 4,000 sold 27th March, but no entry was made in the books of account. Goods sold but not recorded. That is called as, this is
Unrecorded sales.
unrecorded sales.
Unrecorded sales.
Yeah, in front of sales, again in front of debtors, we will mark number 4. Write off rupees 2,000 for bad debt and maintain RDD 5% on debtors. This is called as
Old RDD.
is it called as old RDD adjustment which is given? Further bad debt and new RDD. Further bad debt and new RDD. Traveling expenses includes personal traveling of expenses of Mr. Chawar. Whenever his personal expenses is known as drawings. So that cases in front of traveling expenses, you will mark number 6. Depreciate building at 7%, building number 7. Hope are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now capital account Rane and Chavan, that is 80,000 and 60,000. Come to the capital account, we don't have current account here. Capital account. Name the partner's name, that is Rane and Chavan. Then by balance brought down, that is 80,000 and 60,000. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, come to the 1 by 1 trial balance. Trial balance. First item you have,
Opening stock.
right, opening stock. All you know where to write the opening stock, correct?
Yes, sir.
This amount particulars. Opening stock and purchases, immediately we have to write after the format. We have opening stock of, that is 44,000. Then bill receivable, where you will take
Balance sheet asset side.
balance sheet asset side. So fixed asset, I have motor car, I have building. These two are fixed asset. We will be keeping place upper part of the balance sheet. Okay. So now bill receivable I will write. Bill receivable amount is, that is how much? Bill receivable is then adjustment number 2, we have that bill receivable included dishonor of bill. The dishonor, that means the bill become a worthless. So we will be deducting that 4,000 rupees from bill receivable. That means 28 minus 4, that comes to 24,000. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
And second effect, less from bills receivable, then that much amount is recoverable from the debtors. That is why we have to increase the debtors. Take sundry debtors. In the trial balance, I have sundry debtors. The amount is 52,000. From sundry debtors, you will be add 4,000 rupees. That is dishonor of bill. 52 plus 4. How much?
56,000.
56,000. Okay. 56,000. 56,000. That is 56,000. So you can write total together. There is one more adjustment so that we will write together. Next, after bill receivable, what I have in the trial balance? Hmm? All of you able to see the question?
Yes, sir. Wages
And
and
read
salary.
out the next item in the trial balance. That is, we have what we have.
Wages and salary.
Wages and salaries. Where you will take wages and salaries?
Trading account.
Trading account
Trading
debit
account.
side.
Do you have purchase return first checkout? We don't have purchase return. So we'll write the wages and salaries. Wages and salaries, that is 12,000 rupees. Sundry debtors we are written, that means one more adjustment. That is goods worth rupees 4,000 sold on 27th March, but no entry was made in the books of account. That is called as unrecorded sales. Take sales amount. What is the sales amount we have? So add unrecorded sales 4,000. And we have to see if there is any sales written in the debit side. There is no sales written. So outer column it comes to 2,04,000. And the second effect of unrecorded sales will be added to debtors, that is 4,000 rupees. 4,000 rupees. Then we will be taking a total of it. 52 plus 8,000, 60,000 is the total debtors now. Able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Next item in the trial balance after sundry debtors, debtor has one more adjustment, that is RDD adjustment, that we will be doing always last. Purchases amount is purchases amount is
1,30,000.
1,30,000. Then we have next item in the trial balance,
Building.
building amount is
80,000.
where we take building
Balance sheet asset side.
balance sheet asset side. Adjustment number we have adjustment we have
7.
7. Depreciate building by 7%. Calculate 8,000 80,000 into 7%. 80,000 building value, the 7% of it. How much you get? 7 8 how much? There is 7 8 how much?
5,600.
I asked 7 8 how much? He says 5,006.
56.
56. That is 5,600 is the depreciation. Second effect of depreciation goes to
Profit and loss account.
profit and loss
Debit
account debit side. to depreciation on building, that is 5,600. After building, I have next item is
Discount.
discount. Where I should record discount?
Profit and loss debit side.
Profit and loss account debit side, because it is given in the debit side of the trial balance. Next, general expenses, where we record
Profit and loss debit side.
profit and loss account debit side, general expenses. Audit fees, where we record
Profit and loss debit side.
profit and loss account debit side, audit fees, 4,000 rupees. Bad debt we will take later on the formulas. Then cash at bank, 11,500.
Balance sheet asset side.
Balance sheet asset side. Cash at bank, that is 11,500. We have the RTD adjustment, that is why we have to leave the space here. Next, after cash at bank, we have traveling expenses. So where we take traveling expenses,
Profit and loss
Profit
debit
and
side.
debit side.
profit and loss account debit side, inner column 4,200. And adjustment number 6 says expenses includes personal traveling expenses of Mr. Chavan rupees 800. Out of 4,200, there is a 800 rupees related to Mr. Chavan personal expenses. So what we have to do? Personal expenses is known as
Sir, drawings.
drawings. Therefore, we have to remove that drawings from this traveling expenses. That is 800 rupees. You have to minus it over here. That is 3,400 will be the your outer column amount. Drawings where we record
Partners capital account.
capital account
Debit side.
debit side. Yes, two drawings. That is in the column of Chavan, that is 800 rupees. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next item in the trial balance, we have that motor car. That is 45,000 rupees. Where I should take
Balance sheet asset
Balance
side.
sheet asset
balance
side.
sheet asset side. Motor car amount is 45,000. Okay. After motor car, I have trade expenses. The trade expenses, we have to see that I told you. The GMOS.
Sir,
What
trial
about the-
balance में general expenses है.
जनरल एक्सपेंसेस है तो क्या करनी चाहिए हमें?
सर
Trade
अभी
expense-
ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में जाएगा.
ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में जाएगा. वेरी गुड. टू ट्रेड एक्सपेंसेस goes to trading account because GMOS में general expenses present in the trial balance. We are already recorded in. Therefore, trade expenses goes to trading account. Next, rent for 9 months is 4,500. Rent where you take
Profit and loss debit side.
debit side. There is a hidden adjustment. They says that rent is only paid for 9 months. Correct? Are you understand?
Yes,
you
sir.
understand? And
Yes, sir.
in a year, how many months?
12 months.
12 months. So now 9 months is only paid. So how many months is pending then?
3 months.
3 months. We have to find out for per month how much. 9 month is 4,500. Per month we have to calculate. How you calculate? 9 months ka 4,500 hai. And for 1 month how much it is? Or either you can directly calculate 3 months also. For 1 month how much? What will do? 4,500 for how many months? 4,500 for how many months?
9 months.
9 months divided by 9. So how much you got per month? How much you got for month? Are you
500.
looking? 500. How many months is spending now?
3 months are pending.
5 3 the
15.
15. That means outstanding is how much is that? 1000?
500.
1500. So that means outstanding rent is 1500. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second effect of outstanding goes to
Balance sheet liability side.
balance sheet liability side. Outstanding rent 1500. Okay. Next, come to the credit side. Reserve for doubtful debt. This is known as
RDD.
RDD, which is
RDD.
given in the trial balance is known as which RDD?
Old RDD.
Old
Old RDD. We will see later on in the formulas. Sundry creditors, where I should take
Balance sheet liability side.
liability side, right? Balance sheet liability side. Sundry creditors. That is 55,400. Next, I have sales. We are recorded general reserves, where I should take general reserve.
Balance sheet liability side.
Yeah, reserves is a undistributed profit which will goes to the balance sheet liability side. Amount is 28,000. Next, outstanding salaries 2,700, where I should record.
Balance sheet liability side.
Yes, it is outstanding payables to someone. It is called as liabilities 2,700. Then capital balance we are already recorded. Then adjustment one by one. Closing stock. So where I should record closing
Trading
stock.
account credit
Trading
side
account
and
credit
balance
side.
sheet asset side.
Trading account credit side by closing stock 42,000 and balance sheet asset side closing stock amount is 42,000. Next, bill receivable dishonor, that is over. Goods taken by Rane is also over. Fourth, unrecorded sales, that is also done. And fifth is pending. And sixth is traveling expenses, that is also over. Seventh is depreciate building 7%, that is also over. Now only thing is that we have write off bad debt 2000, that is called as further bad debt, and maintain RDD 5% on sundry debtors. That is, first I will go to the debtors. From debtors, what are all the things we have to minus?
Further
debtors,
bad
what-
debts and new
RDD.
debts.
Further bad debt and new RDD.
RDD.
What is it? Further bad debt? How much is given in here?
2000.
1000.
2000. 60 minus 2, how much? 60 minus 2, how much?
58,000.
58,000. And new RDD कितना percent है?
5%.
5%.
Calculate 58,000 का 5%. Less new RDD. 58,000 into 5 upon 100. 10% 5,800. उसका आधा. How much?
2,900.
2,900. Yes. Minus it taken to outer column. 55,100. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So outer column you will write 55,100. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Bad debt का formula क्या है हमारे?
Bad
debt
debt
plus further bad debt.
Bad debt,
RDD minus old RDD.
bad debt plus further bad debt plus new RDD minus old RDD. चलो, तो one by one अपन check करते हैं. Bad debt कितना दिया देखो. Do you have bad debt in the trial balance? How much is that?
3,500.
3,500. Bad debt is 3,500. Bad debt is 3,500. Or further bad debt. How much is the further bad debt here?
2000.
2000.
2,000. And plus new RDD. How much is the new RDD?
2900.
2,900. I have to take a total of this. The total of that comes to 8,400. Less old RDD. Do you have old RDD in the trial balance? Just
Yes,
now
sir.
we saw. How much is that?
2100.
Less old RDD 2,100 minus 2,100. How much will be the left out?
6300.
6,300. Positive hai ke negative hai?
Positive.
So where I should record?
Profit and loss debit side.
Debit side.
Profit and loss account debit side. Chalo, likh lo. To bad debt plus further bad debt plus minus new RDD minus old RDD. The same formula we will be copying over here. Do you understand? Everyone should aware of the formula of bad debt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now all the adjustment we are covered. Now we will come to the find out the gross profit. So look at the gross profit. 2,04,000 plus 42. That comes to 2,46,000. Any adjustment we left out? See that. Okay, this one we left out. Third adjustment. What is the third adjustment says? Third adjustment says that goods worth
Goods
rupees
worth rupees
2,100 taken by Rane for personal use was not entered in the books of account. That is called as goods withdrawn by partner for personal use. All goods related entry where we should record.
Trading account.
credit side.
This is taken by the partner, therefore trading account credit side. That is goods withdrawn by Rane. Amount is how much?
2100.
2,100. That is known as what? Withdrawn for
Drawings.
personal
Drawings.
drawings. Come to the capital account. We'll write drawings. In Rane's column 2,100. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Rest all finished. So correct. This is over. This is over. Okay, fine. Now credit side is 2,48,100. And same total I will take into debit side 2,48,100. And we will make a total of this debit side 44 plus 130, that comes to 1,74, plus 12, that comes to 186, and 186 plus 4, 190, 300. 1,90,300 minus it from this. So 2,48,100 minus 1 lakh, how much? 90,000, no? How much you got? 1,90,300, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1,90,300 minus. That comes to how much we get? 57,800.
800.
That is called as gross profit. Gross profit. That will be brought down to the profit and loss account. 57,800. Now you have to make a total of debit side because debit side is expenses are less. So 57,800 only we can write both the side. Make a total of this 5,600 plus 1,400, 7,000.
27,100.
How much it comes? 27,000.
100.
गलत लग रहा है. मुझे तो 30,500 आ रहा है. So total it properly. $5,600, $1,400, $7,000. 7 plus 3, 10,800 plus 4, 14,800 plus 3,400. That is 18,200. 18,200 plus 6. 18 plus 6, 24,200. 24,200 plus 3, 500 and 6. That is 30,500. Correct. 30,500 you have to minus. So that is we have 57,800 minus 30,500.
27,300.
27,300. Correct. उसको कौन सा रेशियो पे डिवाइड करनी है? What is the ratio we have to take? Which ratio we have to divide?
7:6.
7 is to 6. Calculate करते हैं 7 is to 6. 27,300. 7 plus 6. How much is that?
13.
13 divided by 13 करो पहला. Divided by 13. 13 to the 26. 13 1 the 13. 0. 2,100.
2,100.
2,100. First वाला का 7 into 7. That is 14,700. And 2,100 into 6. Second वाला का 6 है. That is
12,600.
12,600. समझ में आ गई? Are you understood? Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
To net profit transfer to partners capital account. That is 14,700. Rane Chavane is 12,600. Net profit transfer to partners capital account. So now partners capital account, which side I have to go?
Credit side.
Yes, partners capital account, I have to write credit side. What I should write? By what I will write?
By net profit.
By net profit, that is 14,700 and 12,600. I will make 80 plus 14, 94 and 60 plus 12, 72,600. And the same total will be taken here. 94 plus 2,100. 94 minus 2, 92,600. Then 72,600 minus 800. Then 71,800. This is the balance of capital account carried on. Closing balance of capital. This will be taken into,
Balance sheet liability side.
yes, balance sheet liability side, capital accounts of Rane and Chavan, 92,600 and 71,800. Total comes to 1,64,400. So make a total of this, both the side of the balance sheet. That should be tally. 2,52,000 is the total of balance sheet. Hope everyone follow how to solve the question. This is the 12-mark question
Yes,
at the board. 12-mark question है, आपको 20-25 minutes में इसको खत्म करनी है. As many as question you will do practice from the board problems, then only you can do. That is why you required to have the such practice book which I suggested you to buy some board problems book where you can keep solving daily one questions, which will be making you mastering in the topic. Otherwise,